Okay, so welcome back to our tutorial. This is a C programming tutorial. So this time we are going to discuss about uh, looping using do while loop and for loop. Okay, so I assume that you already have theory on looping topics. So now we are focused on programming hands-on. Okay. So now first we are using do while loop. Okay. So do while loop is the syntax of do while loop. As you can see here. Do while is this is the initialization. Here is do. Then this is the while. Then this is the condition. Okay. Then this is the iteration. Iteration, it means or increment or decrement, like that. Okay, so this is the syntax. First the initialization, then the do while. This is the condition, then automatic it will be processed here if the condition is met. Okay, so we are going to do here in our programming. So for example, I want to display a name at uh, 10 names using do while. So first, I want to declare here and I is equal to 0. Then do, we'll put here while. Then I is less than or equal to 10. Okay. I will put here also the initialization is 1. Okay, so print, I will put here I plus plus. Okay, then I will do here print f. Okay, my name is Jaypee Cesar. So this one, if you run this one, it will print Jaypee Cesar up to 10 times. Okay, so we will see if this is correct. We will save this one, then run and compile. Okay, as you can see 10, but we need to use the /n for the next line. As you can see, this is my name up to 10 times because here from 1 up to 10. So the condition here is if this is true, okay, if this is true, it will go back here. Once the condition is true, it will go back to the while. It will not come here. Okay, I will put here printf finish. Okay, once the condition here is true, it will go back here and print again. Then condition again, I plus plus, it will become 1. Then plus 1, it will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 10 is true. Then go back here. As you can see, how many times go back here in the first line or in the do while? It's 10 times. Okay, 10 times going back. Then that's the time once this condition is false, automatic it will go to the next here. at the downside. It will not go here in the downside if the condition is true. Once this condition is false, it will go here in the downside. Okay. We'll try. Okay, run and compile. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. Then once this one is 11, 11 is less than or equal to 10, it's false. So once it's false, it will go here. Okay. So to make you understand more, I will put here name. I will put here a number, which is the I. I will show you here. I will put here D. Okay. Then I'll put here I. Okay. So we'll try this one. It's running. I will compile and run. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after 10, instead of 11, it will be false, so finish. So I hope you understand this program. Okay, so next example is I want to compute the numbers, okay, inputted by users. So for example, like this, I will give you sample. We'll do like this. Uh, please enter how many numbers. I will you how many numbers you want to compute. Okay. Once uh, the user enter 3, it will enter here enter first enter uh, number. So he will enter here uh, 3 times. Okay, we'll do like this. Then we'll get the total. Okay, then the product, only the product. Yeah. So the output will be like this. Okay. So once the user enter 3, it will ask you to enter 3 numbers and then get the total and the product. And if the user enter 5, so this will be 5 times and then compute the total and product. So we will see here in our program using do while. Okay, first I will remove this one from the beginning. I will initialize in num. Okay, then printf how many numbers you want to compute. Okay, then here we will use scanf with %d, because this is integer. We'll say num. %. Okay, next is we will using do while loop. I will say here int I is equal to 1. While loop, I will say I is less than or equal to num. Okay, then we'll see here I plus plus. So make sure you know the syntax of the while. Okay. Now we will try here. We will put here. We will say int x. Okay, for example, x, printf, let's say enter number. Okay, number, we will say here enter number 1, number 2, number 3. Yeah, like that. Okay, so we will put here number 1, percent %d, I. So it will display like this. Okay, then scanf, we'll say x. Okay, scanf percent %d, then ampersand scanf x. Once the user enter the numbers, we will get the total. I will put here in total is equal to 0, product is equal to 0, prod. I'm using variable total and prod. Okay. So we'll say here total is equal to total plus x. Product is equal to prod times x. Once it's already inputted all the numbers, it will display the total and product. So printf here outside the while. Okay, because here you will input the data, you will input the numbers. After inputting the numbers, once this is false, so we will display the total and product. We'll say total percent %d, total, product, run. Okay, so this is the program. We'll see what happened. We'll try to run again. Okay, how many numbers you want to compute? For example, 3. Enter number 1, for example, 100. Here is 150. Here is 50. Okay, the total is 300. The product is 0. Wait, the product is 0. The product is 0. X. Okay, we will say here, we will put here /n. Okay, I'll try again. Okay, so we'll put here 2 as a 100, 150. Okay, product 0, so it means the total is correct but the product is wrong. So we will see here prod x, prod 0. We will try here to remove the 0 prod. No, here remove the prod equals to 0 here, because it will become 0 times x, it will become 0. So I'll try again. 3, 100, 150, 50. Oops, there is something wrong in the product percent %d prod. Okay, I will remove this one. We will see. Okay, so computation here. See, for example, 3, 100, 150, 50, 75,000. This is correct. So it means there's something from here. X, it's 2. It means the product is not types. We'll try to put here this one. Mhm. Total, total, prod. There's something. Prod. Total prod is. Mhm. So the multiplication is working if there's one only here. And 3, see 24 is working. So it means here there's something wrong in the computation. Prod, let's say prod is equal to 12. Okay, now it's okay. So run, for example, 3, 100, like 2, 3, 2, 1, 5. So 30. So this is the correct one. I put here prod is equal to 1 because once it, this one is okay, the same, this is the same. So I will try again. 2, 5 times 3, 15. Okay, this is the correct one. Now I put here prod 1 so that the first number here is 1. So 1 times the number inputted. So the value will be the first number. And then the next will be the first number times the second value. So this will be the output. Okay. In the product, you need to put the value initialization is 1 so that they will get the total the product. Okay, so we will try again. For example, 3, 100, 30, then 20. So the total is 150. 100 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 is 150. 100 times 30 times 20 is 60,000. Okay, so I hope you understand how to use the do while loop. Okay, so see you on the next video.